Welcome to the series of Learning Arabic in 3 minutes. Please make like and subscribe to the channel and share the video. Today, to Allah, we are going to learn how to say in Arabic, don't worry. Let's start. As we usually do, we'll take an example first. Don't worry, I am fine. Don't worry, I am fine. How to say this sentence in Arabic? Well, we will say لا تقلق أنا بخير. لا تقلق أنا بخير. If you are talking to a man, you will say لا تقلق. If you talking to a girl, you will say لا تقلقي. And after it, you will add a sentence. And you may say لا تقلق only. For example, don't worry, he isn't alone. Don't worry, he isn't alone. لا تقلق. isn't alone ليس بمفرده. لا تقلق ليس بمفرده. The second example, don't worry, she wasn't hurt. We'll say لا تقلق. We will say لا تقلقي. لم تصب بأذى. The last example, don't worry, I have an idea. لا تقلق لدي فكرة. لا تقلق لدي فكرة. That is the end of our lesson today. I hope it was useful, and if you have any question, you can write in the comment and I'll reply to you. Assalamu alaikum.